Good evening. Welcome back Viking Black Panther Geek. Okay, today well we be it is Bissell Pethair Eraser Turbo vacuum cleaner. It is 7 amps. Today there's 7 amps. What you do vacuum cleaner it said today. What you can do on it today. Alright, handle, what you do, let's go start it. Back here's up. You see? Bissell Pethair Eraser Turbo vacuum cleaner, up, and what you do, it happened. 8.5. And we see, decoration in this is itself. But a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, but it's a cleaning. Yeah, the decoration itself. I would have before. Yeah, what he do? Alright, and if I can clean it away, and hang on. There's the stocks. And it goes. Looking up back here. For ears and to filters. Alright, it smells of fleas. It's a breeze. Fleeps. Yeah, it smells of fleeps. It's good. Yeah, but the dry sheets in it. Yep. Here we take connect to me over here. And you put the back on. And yeah, and we're doing audio filters. No, it's special to an option with accident and stuff. Yep, over here, oh my god, it's rainbow. Yep, it's dirty. It was himself. It's white one. Yeah, but burning in it. Look at that. Yeah, but look at that. Easy for waiting it burn it, and your motor was just here's the degrees you burn it yep, okay, and the motor was burned down after so long. Now to I want to be further away, there's the degrees and to see and to put the back on. Yep. Okay, and click choose, and there it goes. Okay. Yep. And I'll put the back on. And in a hose. And I could someone in himself. Yep, and the hose, right here. Okay, let's go start it to plug it in. Alright, yeah, plug it in, into the so like here, and they'll go to the video again one. Yep. And I'm plugging it in. Tight, and now I have to plug it in. Look at it too tight. And so let's go to put it in and up. Okay. You ready? And we ready to get to another one. Okay, yeah, get another one. And at the time, and the toast you know, the vacuum cleaner, he goes to the seat. Worry yourself. Oh, it smells so scared to freeze. So you need to one. Yeah, I just decrease in it. I could do this. Alright, it didn't get this up. Okay, and the filters. This is for breeze. It smells good. Alright, I'm gonna put it back on in a second. Okay. Now we to put the back on and like, comment, and subscribe to Faker watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.